out of a cannon. New highs go out. New highs. Not new highs, but
negative delta in gold.
Crazy.
600 negative delta now.
All right, we're pushing here. New highs. Will we see the 19,900s in NQ? Let's trade 19,008.
They're using growler orders to get into this.
What's a growler order? I need a reminder. What's a growler order? As opposed to an iceberg order.
Maybe something for later. I mean, these markets are moving too much, and there's an explanation. It's similar to an iceberg order, but they hide their information. They hide the information in Delta when they use growler orders. We'll talk about those in a little bit. I need to step away for just a minute and grab some coffee and breathe for a couple of minutes.
Yep. Man, I'm liking if there's a house account trade along at 25.48 here in gold.
48s?
Yeah, the 47s. Like this pullback here in gold is looking very attractive to buy it.
Hogan's back. You have a certain price, or you just like